Panchal, diabetologist and endocrine physician, and today we will talk about diabetes self-management. So, friends, diabetes management it's not just the job of a physician because a patient hardly spend a few hours of his year with the physician or with the diabetologist or with the doctor. Rest of the time he has to manage with himself by himself. So that's why diabetes self management education is very necessary and very important, and it should be in a structural format which includes all the way difficulties which a patient may face during management of his own diabetes. So diabetes self management education is utmost important. It includes starting from the beginning. Patient must know what is diabetes, what type of diabetes he or she is having, and also what are the targets for his diabetes or his glycemic control. Apart from glycemic control, what are the other targets? As diabetes requires comprehensive care management, it includes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, which we say as a blue index: A for A1C, B for blood pressure, C for cholesterol, D for diet, E for exercise, F for follow up, I for infection, H for habits, and J for jeopardy of diabetes management. So patient must know each and every parameters and how, what are the targets to achieve and how they can achieve. So this all must be part of the diabetes self management education. Apart from this, we must teach the patient what are the sick days rule and also what they have to follow when they are traveling outside. So traveling guidance as well as sick day rule, this also must be a part of diabetes self management education. And one of the other important aspect is emotional and diabetes distress, and whenever such situation occurs, how they can come up from this diabetes distress. So this all should be part of diabetes self management education, and for details we will have our session on diabetes self management education. Thank you.